What's up, superstars? Back with another video. You got Superstar Rob, and you got Superstar Nation. How you guys doing? You guys watched the Jake Paul fight yesterday against Nate Diaz. I don't know, those celebrity YouTube fights. Sometimes you wonder what's going on in the background there. If there's any agreements. But Jake Paul was the winner on that one. I know he's just throwing punches on YouTube like us over here. But you guys are always beating me up, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar. Smash the subscribe button, join the Superstar fam, hit the bell notification button to get every single video, every single day. We do not miss, so make sure you hit that bell so we can keep you up to date of all the different interesting projects that we've been tracking in the digital collectible, digital toy space. Also, Superstar VIPs, $2.99 a month, star beside your name, access to our spreadsheets, giveaways. I want to bring as much utility as possible to the Superstar VIP membership, and also you can reach out to us anytime on Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. Also in our description below, definitely join our Discord. It is always popping. Join Superstar Nation. You could talk to the rest of the superstars who are super involved in all the projects, and you can get any answer you need there. If you ever have a question, you can ask us in the comments below. You can find us here on Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. But if you go in the Discord, it's a very active community. Get your answer there too. And now we have the Superstar Utility Program. We're still working out the details. I know it's August 8th, but we will be continuing the utility program. There will be giveaways by simply becoming a VIP member. If you use our Cryptoys link below, we are Cryptoys ambassadors, so we have an affiliate link. You can use that affiliate link. Let us know in the Superstar Utility Program chat room in our Discord, and I will add stars for you to this month's draw. You can also buy our Superstar Money app in the merch shop. If you join our, if you go in the Discord below, you'll actually see our merch shop link. But if you join our Discord, you can also find these links as well there. And we will be releasing soon what our guaranteed prizes will be for this month as well as we work things out. Joe and I just have had conflicting schedules, very busy in this long weekend. But when we get back together, we will have a discussion and get all that stuff sorted out. So I just want to start off today with our news, Superstar Money Twitter. So I want to give a big shout out to Double Quill. She hasn't posted in a while, but today she said, "Happy Sunday for new folks. Hi, I'm DQ, Double Quill." And she writes a humor blog about collecting on VV. So if you click the links through her Twitter, you'll get free reads to my stuff. So if you want to check it out, we always support Double Quill. She supports us. So there's different forms of content. We're on YouTube, but you can also find it blogs, and she's big into that. And yeah, great job. The Whole Pottle. I haven't read it yet, but The Whole Pottle. That's the name of this one. Shout out Nazgul. Nazgul is a longtime supporter, Superstar Hall of Famer. He's donated to the channel. We still got to give away some of the stuff. He donated to the channel because he wants to do more giveaways. So he gave it to us. He gave us a whole bunch of Spawn, McFarlane toys. And he said that he wants to thank Bones Bondsville, who they used our Discord to communicate in the Cryptoys chat room. And it looks like he is now finally part of the Cryptoys Classics. We know Cryptoys has been rewarding their Cryptoys Classic holder. For example, I have access right now to the beta version of their mini game because Joe and I are Cryptoys Classics holders. So and I think this is not guaranteed, but there will be import options, right? In their game, in their like in the Cryptoys platform. I think it's somewhere on their roadmap that they just released that there's a discussion about the additional utility you're gonna get from the Cryptoys Classic. So if you're interested, you can find these on OpenSea, and you can join our Discord below. Now you can ask Nazgul, you can ask Bones, if you catch us, ask us as well. There's links in the Cryptoys Discord as well to buy these things, so you can find them directly. They're getting kind of pricey. A lot of new people in the community trying to buy these up now. Joe and I were one of them. So if you want one, I think they're trading at like 250 Matic, something like that. Or I can't remember the exact price, but it might even be 250 US, I should say, USD. So I don't know. I haven't looked in a long time now, so take a look. Maybe if you guys know, you can let us know in the comments below. I'm going to get back to this in a second. There's some big news out of Cryptoys. That's today's video. Will the CEO tweeted something very interesting, so we'll get back to that. Shout out our good friend Omi Daily Burn. He says, "Collectors at heart, hit level 100 in the VV app. User voluntarily resets to level 1, but gains a badge. It will take time to level up to level 100 again, but they will get reward of a lower secondary market fees by 0.5%. So now they pay 2% going forward." So it's just something. It's just this discussion about utility, right? Where the Vivi did release some information that it's possible that you will get lower fees depending on your MCP ranking. This was retweeted 4 minutes ago, so I didn't actually see this until right now. But I do remember that they sent out an article where you can actually get discounts on secondary market fees if you're depending on your MCP level ranking. So that's the kind of utility we want to see on these projects. The more utility you can give to actually collecting and holding is going to be beneficial for the platform overall. Because right now you do have flippers. I would say Vivi's filled with a lot of flippers who are mainly just interested in flipping and making more gems than they put in. Just kind of a quick flip. You go for the drop, you flip it. So the more that they can encourage collecting, kind of like McFarlane's doing with their leaderboards, for example, and they're giving people access to their drops because they're on the leaderboards, giving them discounts on drops because they're on the leaderboards. Like things like this, I think are going to go a long way. Big shout out to Nguyen Tran, who, by the way, was one of the winner of one of our Superstar Money hats. I have sent that hat to you and it should be arriving soon in the mail. He says that he accessed the VVverse. The creativity possibilities are endless, and that's all he can say. So this is great news that as of now, people in the community are getting access to the VVverse. Well, remember, we had a PowerPoint presentation in November where the team said that by the end of Q1, we should have VVverse home. It looks like that has slid by 6 or 7 months to this point right now. This is beta, though. I think it was implied that it would be a full access by end of Q1. But because it's in beta, my hope is that we will see a quick turnover for access to the VVverse. So the Nguyen, he's playing with it right now. And if you want, you can go, we just retweeted it. So if you want, you can, drop down on there, ask him how he's doing. I think they have to be a little bit, tight-lipped about it. I don't think they're allowed to talk too much about it. The ones who did get access, I think Vivi might have even handpicked them. So like people who are very prominent in the community that they trust to not say anything about it. So anyways, it's coming along. I can't wait for that. Now, I want to move on to today's topic. So Cryptoys, okay? Cryptoys. Now, we just ran like an incredible, amazing EMA where we talked to the 5 founders of Cryptoys. We had everybody there, and we asked them a lot of questions. And we said at the end of the interview, you guys check that interview out. It's a great interview. You definitely just go check out our latest lives, and you'll see it there. And at the end of the interview, we asked Will, for those who stuck around and listened to the whole interview, can you give us just some alpha? Just give us some alpha. And he said, yes, I can give you some alpha. And that alpha is that there is a FA, okay, coming. So we know that there's a very, very important Star Wars character coming. And this is what it is right here. So he said, I'm really excited about tomorrow as we're going to announce a new Star Wars character that's coming to Cryptoys. First person that correctly guesses in the thread which one will be gets a free cube. Now, this is my thought process, okay? Look at what they've dropped. They dropped Vader, they dropped Leia, and they dropped Luke. That's all New Hope. Okay, that's all a New Hope. So for me personally, I think it's very natural to drop like a Han Solo, right? Like someone else that's very prominent in that movie that isn't released yet. So I think that that's the most likely case. Now, I did look up top Star Wars characters on Google just to see what's going to come up. And you got Anakin Skywalker here, which is actually possible because it's basically fully confirmed that we only have Vader. Like even the ones that kind of look like Anakin are not Anakin. It's actually Vader because by that point, he's already turned. So the ones that look like Anakin, even though you look at it and you say, okay, that's Anakin, I think it's like Order 66 Vader, which means Anakin has already turned into Vader by that point. So that's why Anakin Skywalker pre-Vader maybe is possible, but I think that's unlikely. Leia's already there. There's Chewbacca, which is also possible. I think that's definitely possible. He would look really, really good at the Cryptoys platform. I don't think it's R2-D2. I think it's going to be an FA. So I don't think that's going to be the case. I don't think it's going to be C-3PO. Now, Grogu is an option. It may actually be Grogu. Hold on a second. All right, there's my boy right there, okay? Could be Grogu here. I got another one here. Could even be Yoda. It could be Grogu or it could be Yoda. I don't think this is the case, though. I don't think it's going to be Grogu or Yoda because I just feel like based on the first run that they did, they're kind of working on like the original characters, the first. So I think we'll see Yoda before we would see Grogu. This is just my prediction. I have, again, even though we are Cryptoys ambassadors here, I have no inside information on anything. So I'm just completely guessing. So I don't think it's going to be Grogu because I think it's just too new, but it could be Yoda. Okay, so Yoda's possible, but he doesn't show up. Yoda's not in A New Hope. He's not actually. It's been so long now, I don't even remember 100%. But I'm pretty sure Yoda is not in A New Hope. All right. So, and if he is, then he's there in a very, very small capacity. But he's not. I'm pretty sure off my memory, he's not in A New Hope. But Han Solo is, and that's why I'm thinking it might be Han Solo. They got Mace Windu here. I don't think it's him. Just Kylo Ren. Maybe if you want to go for the newer movies, I don't think it's him either. I don't know. They got Rey here, but again, new movie. I feel like that's not it. Obi-Wan Kenobi. I don't think that's it because it's not an FA. So I think it's probably going to be Yoda before Obi-Wan Kenobi. I don't think it's going to be any other villains. So it's interesting to see. I don't know. Like, what do you guys think? Like, do you guys have a different opinion of what this is going to be? Like, what are we going to see on Cryptoys tomorrow? We'll let everybody know that there's going to be some really, really cool Star Wars characters coming. I'm very excited about this. We have Grogu from My Collectibles. Let's see what else people are guessing here. We got Hanano guessing Mandalorian, which would be pretty cool. I would love the Mandalorian. That'd be great. If we got a Mandalorian, that'd be so, so fun. We got Rey. We got Grogu again by Hanano. Doc is saying Emperor Palpatine. Sorry about that. Padme, Yoda, Han Solo. I still think it's Han Solo. Omi Daily Burn is predicting Chewbacca, which is possible. He's saying Grand Moff Tarkin. Greedo, Count Out Doku, and it says, please tell me it's Salacious Crumb. I don't even know who that is. So Doc is just guessing. Look at him. He's just guessing like crazy, just going off. He's guessing every character he could think of to hopefully get something. Yo Steph said Stormtrooper. Oh, Ahsoka. Actually, before, I just didn't even think to bring this up. Ahsoka actually maybe is an off chance because we have in August, Disney Plus is releasing a new Ahsoka series. So maybe they want to promote it by having her dropped on Cryptoys right now to create some hype. Maybe. But again, based on the characters already dropped, I'm not completely sure, but I think that is possible that they may be doing some kind of promotional thing for the series. So I agree, Danny the Bull might be onto something with the Ahsoka, because the Ahsoka series is coming out. DB Crypto saying Yoda, that's very possible. I don't think it's R2-D2. I don't think it's BB-8 because we've already seen them already on BV. So, I mean, yeah, we got Chewbacca again here. CD Collector agrees with me. It's going to be probably, he said their names are Chewbacca, Han Solo, and Yoda. Like, I actually could see that being the case. Okay, so if that is the case, OG Star Wars crew, I'm in agreement with that. I think that makes the most sense. So that's that. We got Bones saying Stormtrooper. I don't know, guys. Jabba the Hutt, I don't think so. Jar Jar Binks, I don't think so, but possible. Let's see what else there's. Boba Fett, I definitely don't think it's Boba Fett. We've already seen him on VV. Jabba, yeah, R2-D2. So a lot of the same stuff here, guys. So you guys let me know what you think. I want to know your thoughts, okay? Like, this is going to be a lot of fun tomorrow. We know we have a lot of faith in Cryptoys. We think Cryptoys is the real deal. They've already proven, like, our AMA with Cryptoys, we really dug deep into the team because at the end of the day, the team is what's going to deliver the vision. And they have an incredible, amazing vision, the way that they're structured, the way that they're built. And our questions were very pointed, not towards their vision, because we already understand their vision. We did an AMA with Will already, but pointed at how this team is operating and how they're going to be able to deliver on their vision. And I think that Cryptoys has everything they need with the Mattel involvement. Mattel literally owns part of them, right? Like, they have the big budget. They got Disney now on board. Like, really with them, it's endless. And they got gamification. I'm playing their game right now on my phone. And the game is just part of a wider app that's going to let you do more and more to earn rewards, and so that your actual digital toys and your digital collectibles actually do something for you, so they keep giving back. And they got the AI component of it. AI built into your digital collectibles with Chat Guardian, which is their way to make it safe for kids. The only patent pending AI that's for kids under 13 in the US. So they got a lot going for them. I think when they release another Star Wars wave, they're going to show people, guys, check it out. We got another Star Wars wave. We're the real deal. The last one came out, I think, in May, right? So they've waited now, a couple months, 3 months now, just on the line almost to the day, because I think it was May 24 they did the first release. So, we're within 3 months here. And they're just going to keep delivering on the roadmap. So I think it's the real deal, guys. I'm excited for this. Let me know your thoughts below. What's your guesses? And before you go, if you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar, smash subscribe, and join the superstar family. Hit the bell notification. Let's get every single video every single day. We do not miss. You know we do not miss. And also become a superstar VIP, $2.99 a month. Star beside your name, access to our spreadsheet, and also you're going to get stars. And in the month, we're going to be giving away all sorts of prizes, including some of these hats. So we're doing a little bit of work on that right now. We're going to roll out a little bit more details soon enough, but make sure you join our Discord below and stay up to date with everything and hit the bell notification button so you can find out every day what the changes are in the space. So we got you covered. Okay, guys, thank you all so much. We appreciate you. Take care. We love you, and we'll see you next one. Bye-bye.